Lesson 1, 10 ways to say hello and goodbye. Welcome. In this lesson, we will explore different ways to say hello and goodbye in Turkish. Number 1, hello, merhaba. Hello, merhaba. Merhaba. Fast, merhaba. Hi, selam. Hi, selam. Selam. Hey, it's also selam. It is informal. Hi there, merhaba. If you want to say in Turkish, hi there, it is also saying merhaba. Merhaba. Hi there. And there's another way, which in some places English people use, howdy. So in Turkish, it is only merhaba or selam. Nothing else. Now, let's learn how to say goodbye. Bye. Güle güle. Bye-bye. Güle güle. Bye. Güle güle. Also, hoşça kal. Hoşça kal. It is also bye-bye or goodbye. Hoşça kal. Hoşça kal. Informal, görüşürüz. See you later. In Turkish, görüşürüz. Görüşürüz. Görüşürüz. See you later. Take care. Kendine iyi bak. Kendine iyi bak. Take care. Kendine iyi bak. Kendine iyi bak, it's like take care of yourself. In English, in shortcut, if you want to say, you say take care or take care of yourself. In Turkish, kendine iyi bak. The last one is have a good one or have a good day. İyi günler. İyi günler. İyi günler. Have a good one or have a good day. Congratulations on completing this lesson. We are ready to learn more new words and expressions in the next session. See you in the next lesson.